we're going to focus and just notice what's going on within our own bodies. We're going to notice the sensations within our bodies without trying to change anything. Take in a nice deep breath and exhale fully. Paying attention to your inhale and your exhale. With each and every breath, just allow yourself to sink more deeply into relaxation. Very good. I'd like to ask you to focus your attention now on the soles of your feet. Pay attention to the soles of your feet. What are you feeling there? What are the sensations? And now the tops of your feet. Notice the tops of your feet. And now bring your attention to your toes. What are the sensations in your toes? Continue to breathe in a relaxed way, just focusing your attention on your ankles now. Notice your ankles. Now move your attention to your lower legs. And now the front of the leg and your knees. Notice how your joints feel. Now move on to your thighs. Notice any sensation. And your lower back. Move up the spine. Focus your attention on your upper back. And now your shoulders. Notice any sensation. How do your arms feel? Your forearms. Notice your wrists and your hands. Focus your attention now on your neck, the length of your neck. Notice any sensation. Your face, your forehead, and your entire scalp area. Now be aware of your entire body. Draw your attention to your breath. Notice the inhale and the exhale. we're only accepting and observing. You've done a fantastic job.